Very pleasant morning to the beautiful ladies. But before I start off, I want all my beautiful ladies to give a round of applause as we welcome you to be a part of the Vaishya Crown Miss and Mrs. Vaishya Karnataka 2025. Yes, it was actually started with Karnataka ladies, and the kind of response, we are so overwhelmed to just receive everything that you people have just been giving us. So thank you so much to each one of you all. But before that, I want Joragwan Sati Chappale Barbekanta. Let me hear that louder from each one of you all. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your very own host, Fawzia P. Khan. Without any further ado, I want you guys to welcome this beautiful morning. But before we actually start off with that, I want each one of you all to take your hands high up in the air. Let me see that. Can you guys take your hands high up in the air? Come on. Two things that I want you guys, both your hands high up in the air because I have a mic in one. All right, both your hands high up in the air, everybody. Come on, I can't see you guys. Both your hands high up in the air. All my beautiful ladies and the very handsome gentlemen. All right? Okay, when I'm going to say one, you're going to clap one. Let's do a quick drill. 1, 2. When I say 2, you clap twice, yeah? So 2, 3, 4, 5, and keep clapping. All right, so that's a quick drill that we have had. So I said keep clapping. Ladies, you know what? We know that we are already empowered. We don't need the tag that we are empowering, right? So let's show that with a round of applause as we welcome every beautiful soul here who's going to be performing in front of you all, right? 3, 2, 1, जोरक चप्पलें बरबेको जोरदार तालियों के साथ हम इस खूबसूरत सी सुबह का स्वागत करते हैं आगाज करते हुए, ladies and gentlemen. It is something that I want each one of you all to know. But at the same time, we are going to be welcoming a beautiful girl on the stage. May I kindly welcome on stage Pranita, everybody. Pranita is a student of class 10 studying in Sindhi High School. She has been pursuing Bharatnatyam from Rasika Academy of Performing Arts under Guru Shri Kiran Subramaniam and Srimati Sandhya Kiran from the past 6 years. Kindly give a round of applause for her, please. And has successfully finished her junior and senior dance exam with distinction. Congratulations, beautiful. Apart from dance, she also learns Carnatic music and has finished her junior music exam with distinction. She also enjoys sketching and painting and has been given the opportunity to exhibit her talent in the Chitrakala Parishad. Congratulations. On that note, I would request Pranita to come on stage as she is going to be welcoming you all with her Bharatnatyam dance at the Vaishya Crown Miss and Mrs. Vaishya Karnataka 2025. With a round of applause, let's welcome her. What? These for lamp lighting ante. Where is the Thank you so much. It was so wonderful and all the best for future. May you keep growing just the way you've been doing. All the best. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your very own host, Fawzia P. Khan, with each one of you all. And up next, I need not to give you the introduction because they are supremely popular amongst the beauties. And there's this beautiful woman that you already know. She is an icon. She is an entrepreneur, a journalist, ladies and gentlemen, and she loves doing the storytelling. And I'm pretty sure we need not this introduction, but do you guys know who am I going to be welcoming up next on the stage? Yes? I don't hear you guys. Can we hear louder? Yes, that is Miss Sindhura ma'am with us. Sindhuri ma'am, they've been telling Sindhura. All right, everybody, let me welcome on stage the founders of the Vaishya Crown Miss and Mrs. Vaishya Karnataka 2025, Mr. Imadi, ladies and gentlemen, and the very beautiful, the very elegant, and she is looking red hot today amongst the ladies. Let me welcome Miss Sindhuri Wupala with us. And you are looking gorgeous. I've just planned my next event. I'm going to be wearing something like what you have. So I've already got the inspiration for the next event. How do you feel and what do you have to say about the event, ma'am? Firstly, congratulations that you've come so far and the kind of response. Ladies and gentlemen, may I once again call Mr. Imadi, the founder of the visionary behind the crown, everybody. And yes, as we are celebrating the legacy of the Vaishya, would you like to say a few words?
Undoubtedly, we always start with Jai Vasavi. Jai Vasavi. మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటే గెలవాలని అనుకుంటే వన్స్ అగైన్ జై వాసవి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. అందరికీ తెలుసు మన ప్రపంచంలో మనం గుర్తింపు కావాలి అని చేసి ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ అనుకుంటాం, రైట్? టుడే ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ప్లేస్ వేర్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎన్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు రికగ్నైజ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. విన్నింగ్ ఈస్ ద లాస్ట్, పార్టిసిపెంట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్, రైట్? వీ ఆల్ ఆర్ కంటెస్టెంట్స్. We are here means we are already far from the other place, other one. So undoubtedly you all are winners, but look at yourself. And I hope already conveyed by Sindhu and the team stating that me introduction lo okay 10 seconds, 30 seconds, where you can make yourself to speak about the Vasavi Mata makes a lot of difference. Hope you all prepared. Yeah, thank you.
Good evening, Karnataka. Can I hear your voice, guys? It's an honor. And let me tell you a little bit about the Vaishya Crown. So this is a pan-India pageant. So Vaishya Crown will be going to all the southern states. And we started off with Karnataka and look where we've got. Thank you guys for the overwhelming love. So we'll be going to Andhra next. Then we are going to Mumbai. We'll be definitely going to Telangana, Hyderabad. And the winners of all the states will be invited to come to Hyderabad for the grand finale. And the grand finale is going to have the who's who with all of you. So right from, we are trying yet to get a confirmation, but the likes of Malaika Arora, Milan Soman, you will have pageant directors from Bombay, and you'll have a 2-day workshop happening at Hyderabad. So once we shortlist the winners, we'll be inviting you over to Hyderabad, and we're looking forward to rocking with all of you. And Karnataka, we were scared to come to you all first, but you've made us proud. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is Mr. Imadi and Miss Sinduri, everybody. Kindly give a round of applause. And thank you so much. You've been a wonderful ma'am. And I'm pretty sure each one of them is actually coming out of their zones to explore more. And that's the kind of opportunity that you've given every woman. And only if I knew, I would have participated and not been here. The next time, I'm surely participating for sure. So, up next, ladies and gentlemen, would you like to say a few words, sir?
అంతటా చూస్తాము, జ్యోతి తీసుకొచ్చి మనము జ్యోతి ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాము. వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ ద డిజిటల్. టుడేస్ ల్యాంప్ లైటింగ్ ఇస్ విత్ డిజిటల్ ల్యాంప్ లైటింగ్, అండ్ ఫర్ విచ్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు రిక్వెస్ట్ ద టుడేస్ అవర్ celeb lamp lightning to come onto the stage and do the ramp walk and do the digital lamp lightning. It's a new experience for you and for us too. Yeah, and to be frank and excuse, it was missing. Yeah, so, yeah. So always you have challenges, how to face it, alternate solutions. Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies, are you guys excited? Yes? Come on, let me see that excitement. I want you guys to come up with that excitement because we're going to be here until 4:30. So I want you guys to be there, right? And people, if you do have to click your pictures and everything that you want, please keep yourself a little there so you can get the time. But meanwhile, let me welcome our juries, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to be welcoming our juries, but meanwhile, may I also welcome on stage Miss Niharika Pushtak Arsikare, everybody, with a round of applause. Let me welcome her on stage, please. May I also welcome Miss Vandana Grante on stage. With a round of applause, we've just done that drill, so please don't forget. May I kindly welcome on stage Miss Deepthi Suraj Makam. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Also, may I kindly welcome on stage Miss Sundura Vidata, everyone. And may I also welcome on stage Srimati Suresh Manandi. Thank you so much for being here with us, ma'am. May I also welcome the jury members. May I kindly welcome on stage, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Shubha Suresh with us, please. May I kindly welcome on stage Miss Veena Jain, ladies and gentlemen. Kindly come here with us on the stage, ma'am. May I kindly welcome on stage Miss Usha Jamad Gandhi with us, please. May I kindly welcome on stage Miss Neeta on stage, please. With a round of applause to my beautiful ladies who have been seated, to the women who are empowering everyone out there, giving that hope and encouragement. Ladies and gentlemen, the members of the Vaishya Crown Karnataka, everyone, with a round of applause. They're going to be walking the ramp, and I want you guys, that chappale barta irbeku. There's been a lot of confusion, you know. Thank you so much, everyone. May I kindly have the digital lamp behind, please? On this beautiful auspicious occasion, let us remember every guru who has actually given their student the love of the culture and the art and knowledge. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Saksha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guru Ve Namaha. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, the leaders and the gurus who are actually standing here, we would want you all to know that every one of us is a learner, but only when we have the teachers and the gurus who give the kind of knowledge that needs for us to be successful. So to all of you out there, let me tell you that these are those beautiful ladies and the very beautiful empowering women who have actually encouraged all of you all to take your seats here. And I think that is the biggest achievement that we have come here with. So kindly give a round of applause. May I kindly request Ms. Sukriti to kindly come on stage and Mr. Shravan to kindly come on stage. Join Ms. Sukriti, please. So all of those beautiful jewels that you're actually seeing being worn by the ladies and the contestants, and also Ms. Sinduri, everyone. So I think I've been having the eye on her dress and on her jewel and also her bracelet. So I think a lot of things are going on today. So thank you so much for being, and you've been supportive all this while, but I think Ms. Sinduri will be the wise person to tell more about Kalasha, everyone.
I request Mahanadi Suresh Garu please come onto the dais to honor today's devotional dance performance.
May I kindly invite on stage our classical dancer, the very talented Pranita, please.
No. So Mahanandi Garu will give it to them. Yeah. No. Sir will give it to them. Yeah.
Congratulations. All the best. Nicely done.
All right, may I kindly request the DJ to put off the Kalasha jewels here and a detailed walkthrough. Let's just have a walk.
1 second. Okay, you can go now.
All right, I gave you guys the drill and I said the claps must go on. Let's get that started. All right, ladies and gentlemen, to our founders and the visionaries behind the crown, Miss Sinduri, Vipala, everybody, and Mr. Imadi, the empowering women celebrating the legacy. This is your very own host, Fawzia P. Khan. Ladies, I would request you guys to please don't strain your legs. Please take your seats. We want you all to take your seats, and so you can enjoy the show. But before we start, every show has the juries. So I'm pretty sure all of you all know how the drill is, how the audition is going to go by. But if you do want me to announce about the rules, I'm going to definitely do that. But before which, we definitely want the juries to be here with us. So may I kindly welcome with us, with a round of applause, Miss Veena, everybody. Joining us on the jury is Miss Veena Jain, a distinguished beauty pageant title holder. She has been, okay, I want you guys to give that round of applause, has been crowned as Mrs. Karnataka 2016, Mrs. India Classics 2016, and Mrs. India Globe, everybody. And in 2017, she was the first contestant from the Classic category to represent India at Mrs. Globe held in Las Vegas, and where she won the Best Speaker subtitle and secured a place among the top 10 finalists. She now serves as the National Director of Mrs. Globe and Mrs. Universe, shaping and mentoring the future beauty queens. Ladies and gentlemen, with a round of applause, may I kindly welcome our first jury member, Miss Veena Jain, with a round of applause, please. Come on, everybody, wave your hand to Miss Veena. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Neeta Bopalam, completing our esteemed panel is Miss Neeta Bopalam, the visionary founder of Bopalam Botanicals. Wow. As an award-winning perfumer and also the architect and wellness entrepreneur, she has been recognized at several national and international platforms, including the National Health Awards. Okay, that is the National Health Awards, everybody. World Yoga Summit, everyone, and the Consulate of the Cambodia. Having trained over 50,000 individuals in soap making, ma'am, I'm pretty interested in that. I love perfumes. Making and wellness, she is dedicated to performing holistic well-being through nature, science, and fragrance. Ladies and gentlemen, it is Miss Neeta Bopalam as our jury member for today. With a round of applause, wave it on her as we're going to be beginning this beautiful morning. Ladies and gentlemen, may I also request our very own beautiful founder and the visionary, the women behind this vision of getting the Vaishya crown for Karnataka. Ladies and gentlemen, may I kindly request Ms. Sinduri Vipala ma'am to kindly take your seat. And yes, of course, our founder, Mr. Imadi, has made that impression. Let's welcome our very founder, Mr. Imadi, everybody, with a round of applause. The Vaishya Crown Miss and Mrs. Vaishya Karnataka 2025 is going to be beginning with the auditions, a first of its kind platform exclusively for the Vaishya women. Ladies and gentlemen, we are honoring the grace, we are honoring the intellect, and we are also honoring every woman who has the leadership. So yes, to each and every sponsors and our associate partners, thank you so much for joining us, and all the best for each one of you all who are going to be coming forward to introduce yourself. And the first category, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be welcoming the Miss category, the first 5 participants and the contestants. Kindly make sure that you people are here with us. This is your very own host, Fawzia P. Khan, with you all. And I'm super excited, super happy that the Vaishya Crown has given me this opportunity to share this platform with each one of you all, and can't wait to see who the winners are going to be for today. All the best, and let's give it up for every beautiful girl that side. I want you guys a jor of chappale padbekanta. Let me hear bit louder. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए everyone. And to our jury members and our founders and everybody here, this is going to be the time where you get to see and explore yourself, and you give yourself the opportunity to honor being you, who you are, and representing the self-vision that you carry for yourself. Thank you so much for being here with us. Up next, we're going to be starting off with our first category, that is the Miss category. Now let's welcome the contestant, but before which, तालियां तो बजती रहनी चाहिए, है ना? मुझे बहुत पसंद है. All right, everyone. The only reason I tell each one of you all to keep clapping if I'm amongst you all sitting in the audience, trust me, I would never stop doing it, because I know how much it takes for anybody to show that courage to be here on the stage, to show yourself and give yourself the chance to prove that not to the world, but to your own self, right? So I think the claps are only the appreciating way that you can tell you have done it. And you can do more. That's the only way you can appreciate any person being on stage. And I think we have a beautiful fairy here with us as well. How beautiful you look in your white that you have chosen for yourself. And in fact, each one of you all are looking extremely phenomenally gorgeous. So congratulations for already being here. And let's get started with our first category, that is the Miss category. Ladies and gentlemen, may I kindly welcome on stage, we have Ananya Epser for the Miss category.
Jai Vasavi. Here's presenting to you a very proud Arya Vaishya member, Ananya Hepsur. I've been built and brought up in Hubli, but currently right now I'm pursuing my third year of MBBS in Siddhartha Medical College, Tumkur. And I have had a lot of hobbies, had to give it up, but I do still pursue them. I was a badminton player, a basketball player, a runner, and a Bharatanatyam dancer too. I was born to my loving parents, Dr. Narayan Hepsur and Dr. Nagarika Hepsur, who are both doctors. And I have an elder brother who's an orthopedic surgeon, and he's married to an anesthetist, Samriddhi. So all of us are doctors. I already give so much to the community. I would want to give it through other curriculars too. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, and that was our very first contestant, Ananya Hepser, and the future doctor.
हे शारदे दय पालिसु ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ನಾಡಿಗಳ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿರಿಸು ನಡೆಸು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವಾಡು
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Miss Ananya Hipser. Beautiful Ananya. Up next, everybody, we're going to be having our very next contestant on stage. May I kindly invite Disha V. Kumar. With a round of applause, that's going to be Disha V. Kumar for you all.
Hello everyone, I am Disha V. Kumar. So I'm currently pursuing my 7th semester in engineering based in Bangalore. To talk about myself, I'm a great knowledge seeker. I'm interested in science, space and technology from my very childhood, and I also continue to pursue the same in my future also. I would also love to provide solutions to the society or to save the mother nature. This has been my main motive from my childhood, and anything I can do to contribute for that, I would be grateful to do so. Apart from that, my hobbies include singing, cooking, art and decoration. I love to do all these things. I also do photography. I also do record some of my musics and put it in my Instagram. I'm grateful for this opportunity. I always want to expose myself to different experiences. So thank you, Vaishya community, for providing me with this opportunity. So I'll be performing one of my talents here. I'll be singing. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say that were never true, and the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned, well, I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name, let it feel with you. I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say that were never true, and the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name.
Thank you. So guys, just to stick to the timeline, so we'll give every contestant 2.5 minutes at the most, after which you'll see the sign go up just to make sure everybody finishes in time. Okay, bear with us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, up next we have our very next contestant on stage, Ishani S. May I request Ishani to come on stage, please? Let's give it up for Ishani, everyone.
Hi, I'm Ishani. I'm 16 and I'm studying in first PUC right now. I love music and I play 2 instruments, guitar and ukulele. I've always wanted to try something in the fashion industry. And when I heard about this Vaishya crown, I was very excited. And I wanted to come here. So right now, I'm very thrilled to be here to see all of you. You all look very beautiful.
Ishani, music for you. Walk the ramp. Show us what you're about. Okay?
Thank you so much. So up next, let's welcome, we have Hasini D.
So myself, Hasini, I'm a proud student of BSc Psychology, pursuing in PSL University Kengeri branch. So I took BSc Psychology because my passion was since 6th grade. I'm a very much passionate about it. So the passion came for me in 6th grade because it started from my what? They had a session in my classroom. That's where I become passionate about psychology, and I really want to help people who are really undergoing depression, because in this society there's a lot of depression and industrial pressure on people where they're really undergoing a lot. So that's my passion of being a psychologist and helping people. And I'm very proud being in Vaishya community because Vasavi Mata has done a lot to us, lot to learn from her sacrifices. She taught us that there's nothing like we cannot stop. Being a woman, she's a really strong woman, and she teaches not a strength is not in just bloodshed and fighting, but she taught us it's also in valuing and protecting our cultures. I'm really pleasure to be here in Vaishya Crown Miss category. I'm really pleasure. I'm really thankful. This platform is not alone for showcasing my talent, but it is also showcasing in my individuality and proving myself for this society. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I believe Hasini has a very wonderful vision as she wants to help people. Ladies and gentlemen, the Vaishya Crown Miss category. Up next, contestant Kirtana M. Congratulations.
I'm Kirtana, I'm 24, I'm a software engineer. Jai Vasavi.
Jai Vasavi.
Sri Vasavi Devi, her birthplace is Penugonda, and her father ruled Agrahara, about 108 Agraharas. His name is Kusuma Shreshti. And Mata Vasavi was a devotee of Shiva, and she was inclined towards his devotion. When King Vishnuvardhana forced her to marry, she declined, and to avoid that marriage, she sacrificed herself in the holy fire. So we pray to her. She's our Kuladevate, so Jai Vasavi. So I would like to tell you all a short story. So I'm speaking today. Few years back, about many years back I have to say, when I was 7 years old, that is 2008, my aunt was married and she moved to the USA and settled there. I had taken my grandmother, the two of us alone, to go there and have some fun with our aunt and uncle. So one of these days we were just there enjoying our vacation in one of the malls. As a clumsy kid I was having dinner with them. I spilled water on myself. And luckily, I was wearing a dark color pant. Nobody noticed. My aunt, being a prankster, she told me, no, you should not walk normally. You should walk as a catwalk so that people don't know that you have actually spilled water, which was not even visible. So I followed her. And okay, I was doing this mini catwalk as a 7-year-old. That day, I was in the mall and two of them asked me, "Hi, you're very pretty. Do you want to act as a model?" I said no, but I cried as well. But today I'm here doing a ramp walk in front of you all, feeling very grateful. My dream has come true. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So up next, we have our next contestant, Kotni Varsha.
Jai Vasavi Mata. Myself, Kotni Varsha. I brought up from Odisha, and presently I am pursuing CA and CMA. I have cleared CA Foundation and CMA Foundation at my first attempt, and recently I have cleared my CMA Intermediate at my first attempt. So as by side I am pursuing CA also, I am trying to give attempts. So I think it will also be cleared, hopefully. And thank you.
She's gonna have her dance performance. Ooh. Woohoo!
Amazing, Varsha. You had the stage on fire.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think she's going to have a lot of companies come with her, the gorgeous CA that they're going to get. Ladies and gentlemen, up next, may I kindly invite on stage KS Anushka.
Hello everyone, Jai Vasavi, Andariki Vandanamulu. Nenu Anushka KS. I am the daughter of Commander Shabrisha and KS Renuka Devi. I am a proud Navy child. I am proud to say that service is in my blood, both by virtue of my father's service in the Navy and me being in the Vaishya community. I want to first of all thank my parents because everything I am, everything I dream to be is all from their encouragement and love. I'd like to speak about Vasavi Mata, and I'd like to say this in Telugu because I think that's how I can purely express my love for her. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి నేను వాసవి మాత కథలు మా అమ్మ దగ్గర నుంచి వింటూ పెరిగాను, కానీ ఆమె నిజమైన పవర్ నేను ఇప్పుడే ఈ మధ్య చూశాను. ఈ మధ్య జరిగిన పహల్గామ్ అటాక్లో మన వాసవి కమ్యూనిటీ నుంచి మనం ఒక మెంబర్ని కోల్పోయాము. మనం అందరం చాలా బాధపడ్డాము, కానీ మన వాసవి మాత ఊరుకుంటుందా? లేదు. వాసవి జయంతి రోజే విశ్వరూపం చూపించి వాళ్ళ అంతం చూసింది. And that's how I found power and love from Vasavi Mata. When it comes to my talent, I'm a passionate singer, musician and dancer. Above all, I'm a coder and I'm a teacher by passion. I've taught over 600 children since the pandemic, since the age of 11. And I've been awarded an honorary doctorate for my social service. I believe teaching is my dharma, and I think I've taken a meaningful step towards it as a 16-year-old till now. And I hope I will always continue to do so in the future as well. One thing I'd like to mention is I'm 16 and 10 days old. So whoever set the date for this competition, thank you so much. That makes me eligible for this. I want to perform a song for all the beautiful women here. This is a song for all the beautiful women here. Despite you being my competitors, I think I should celebrate your beauty, grace and elegance, and I'd like to do it with this song. So here we go. ఇంతందం దారి మళ్ళిందా భూమిపైకి చేరుకున్నదా లేకుంటే చెక్కి ఉంటారా నీలా శిల్ప సంపద జగత్తు చూడని మహత్తు నీదలే నీ నవ్వు తాకి ధరించి తపస్యలా విసీదులన్నీ తలొంచే నిసాదాలిలా విసుక్కునే వెలాడి చందమామై నువ్వు
అంటే నా పనింటనే ఈ నేలకే దిగేను కోటి తారలే కంత వెన్నెలేంటనే
All right, everybody. Up next, we have Manasvi Gupta.
Hello everyone, good morning, Jai Vasvi. I am Manasvi Gupta, proud daughter of B.S. Nagashri and B.G. Ravi. I am studying in 2nd PUC at Jain College. I am from Bangalore. My interests lay in dance. I am a Bharatanatyam dancer. I've been practicing for almost 13 years now. I'm also part of the Radha Kalpa dance company led by Guru Rukmini Vijay Kumar. I have learned both ballet, contemporary. I have started my basics and silk aerials and also in karate. I am also part of the fashion team in Jain College. Do performing arts or performing arts help us, and people depend on it in their worst times. So that's why I value dancing, singing very much. Today I will be performing contemporary but in a sari. So contemporary and gymnastics in a sari, because I believe we can do anything with our culture as well. Thank you.
Yeah. Manasvi, take the ramp as well for us, please. DJ, some music.
साथिया माहिया बरसात रंग जाऊं रे हाँ रे तुझ पे मैं चल जाऊं हाँ रे पिया मस्ती में हो झूले तो खरीद
Beautiful, Manasvi. 3 minutes is not enough to watch you. Beautiful.
Up next, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be having our very next contestant on stage, and you guys are here at the Vaishya Crown Mrs. and Miss Vaishya Karnataka 2025, a first of its kind platform exclusively for the Vaishya women, honoring grace, intellect and leadership. And also thanks to each one of our sponsors and partners, and we are indeed super happy and glad that you all are here with us to make this day a most memorable one. Up next, let's welcome Mahana on stage.
My name is Mahanayan Baisani. I born and brought up in Kolekar, which belongs to Chamarajnagar district. Firstly, I would like to show my talent. Since I belong to Chamarajnagar district is all about folk. It gives so much prominence to the folk. So I'm going to perform a song on our God Mahadeva Swami. Mahadeva, 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 Mahadeva.
ಸೋಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ತುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಂದಾವರ ಮುಂದಾವರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ತಾವರ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಚಂದಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಲೆ ಬಿಲ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚಂದಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಲೆ ಬಿಲ್ಪತ್ರೆ ತುಳಸಿ ದಳವ ಮಾದಪ್ಪನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೋಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ತುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. And I would like to say a few words about Vasavi Mata. Our community is also called as Kumati community. Also I would like to say some unknown facts about Vasavi Mata. When Vasavi Mata took step towards Agni Kundalam, she uplifted dharma. She taught two things for us. One is respecting a woman's marriage. Like, marriage is her own choice. That's what she first taught. And second thing, everyone should learn to respect women. And that's the two things that through that she uplifted dharma and she spread to the world. And if I have to say about myself, I'm a singer, I'm a dancer. I completed some grades in music as well as dance. And yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Manasa. You were fantastic. Your voice just carried that, that soothingness, and we were all just humming with it. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, up next, we are going to be inviting Nagalasya S. May I kindly invite Nagalasya S with us?
Pranams to all the judges, dignitaries, and audience present out there. I'm Nagalasya, and I'm from Mysore, currently pursuing my BDS degree, on my way to become a doctor. From hospitals to yoga, meditation, dance, makeup, fashion, swimming, and calligraphy. A young Indian with many passions. Carving my way to success in unconditional fields is my type. Add on, I have a special customized bracelet on my wrist, which is a stethoscope. It is not just a jewelry for me, but a reminder of healing and serving others. One of the proudest moments of my life comes in my 8th grade, where I was teaching at my own school summer camp. There, I was awarded with my first salary and a silver chain, which taught me the dignity of a service at a very early age. Today, I stand here in front of all of you to break the stereotype that even on a demanding field like medicine, one can grow way beyond their limits. They can nurture their creativity and grow beyond books. And I want to be the voice of youth. And coming to our Vasavi Mata, who sacrificed her life just for our community, then what are we waiting for? We are born in this category under her. So at least we can sacrifice ourselves for our dreams and achieve a lot more in life. Thank you. And today, my talent is going to be two types. One is the fashion and makeup. The way I'm dressed, the makeup, everything is done by me. That is one of the talent I'm going to portray. This is my confidence, to be honest. The second comes as my dance, because my name Nagalasya, Lasya itself signifies grace. So I think dance would be the better option to show my talent.
Thank you so much.
Next contestant is Neha Gupta.
So this is Neha Gupta from Bangalore. I'm 23 as of now. I'm an entrepreneur, cake artist, and a philanthropist. I have a mission called as Expedition Annapurna. So in this mission, we donate to people who are in need by taking the donations from people who are not in need, basically. Yeah, that's about it. And I have my cake brand called Cream on Top, which is a 7-year-old cake brand. Me being a Vaishya, business was easy for me, so I started it off when I was 16. I'm sure all of you agree on that, right? So yes, I'm going to, assemble a dessert on stage. Let's all make our mouth sweet as a cake artist. So I'll be assembling vanilla biscoff tres leches. Hope the judges can taste and a few of you here could taste and others could order. Let me do a little marketing. It's cream on top.
I like the clarity.
I had to talk about Vasavi Mata. I'm so sorry. So the minute I think about Vasavi Mata, the only thing that comes to my mind is about self-respect, not moving from our own decisions, standing on what we want to do and having the clarity. And I hope all of us also have the same clarity like what she had. Thank you.
Sai Akshaya. We have our very next contestant with us in the Miss category. Please come.
Hello everyone, I'm Akshaya Jaladi from Prodhutur, Kadapa district, Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I'm pursuing my second PUC in Transcend Group of Institutions. Ever since childhood, I have been passionate about dancing. During my 8th summer vacation, I developed a deep interest in mandala art. Spiritually, Krishna has always been my guiding force. Without him, I truly feel incomplete. So, carry out a random act of kindness with no expectations of reward. These timeless words by my mom reminds me that true beauty shines through kindness and compassion. So this is not just my dream, it's my mother's too, and I carry her strength. My dream is to grow a strong, independent woman who inspires others while staying rooted in our Vaishya cultures and values. I'm truly honored for this opportunity.
So I'm going to talk about Vasavi Mata in my mother tongue. Aravaisya Adi Shakti Vasavi Mata. So అహింసా శక్తితో ధర్మాన్ని రక్షించి స్త్రీ శక్తి వైభవాన్ని లోకానికి చాటారు. నాకే కాదు ప్రతి స్త్రీకి ఆమె ఆశీస్సులు ఉండాలనేసి నా ప్రేరణ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Alright, just like how Sindhuri ma'am has just mentioned that it's only going to be for 3 minutes, everybody. So kindly limit your entire introduction, your performance and everything within that 3 minutes. So thank you so much. Up next, ladies and gentlemen, you guys are here at the Vaishya Crown Miss and Mrs. Vaishya Karnataka 2025, a first of its kind platform exclusively for the Vaishya women, honoring grace, intellect, and of course the leadership. To all of you all, the very next contestant on stage is going to be Sai Sinchana. May I welcome Sai Sinchana on stage.
This is Sai Sinchana, currently pursuing my BCom in St. Joseph College of Commerce with CMA. I'm a very passionate and a creative person. And coming to my hobbies, I'm a pro cuber, hula hooper, and a juggler too. To mention some of my achievements in this field is I'm a Guinness World Record holder, Asia Book of Record holder, and a Book of Record holder. And I'm very excited to be a part of Vaishya Crown, as this gives me a stage to showcase my talent and connect with people. I'll be showcasing my talent. This is a very unique talent. Basically, this is a multitasking. I'll be performing blindfold, solving Rubik's Cube with a hula hoop and chanting Hanuman Chalis. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिह लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बलगामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवारे स्मृति की संगी कांचन वर्णा विराज सुरेशा कानन कुंडल कुंजित केश हाथ वज्र अध्वज विराजे कांधे मूंज जनेऊ कुसाजे शंकर सुमना केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन.
All right, everybody, give it up for Sai Sinchana, the very amazing, multi-talented. She's a Guinness World Record holder, and what more do you have that I've almost forgotten, but I think that'll be in your books.
To speak about Vasavi Mata. Vasavi Mata is our Arya Vaishya community goddess, and she is the symbol of strength, in sacrifice and non-violence. And she was born in Penuganda, Andhra Pradesh, to the king and queen of Kusumamba and Kusuma Shreshti. And she is the first woman embodiment of non-violence. We have to remember her as a strength, a symbol of courage and everything. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, up next we have a very next contestant for you all. Let's welcome Sri Lokya on stage, everybody.
Firstly, I wanted to start a quote which is written by me on Vasavi Mata. Amena Amma, Amena Daivam, Amena Jeevitam, Amena Prakriti. Pranamulu cheyi Vasavi Mata ki. Ma jeevitamlo niluchina Amma ki. Myself, Sri Lokya. I'm 18 years old from Kolegal.
I'm currently pursuing second year BSc Filmmaking at RV University, Bangalore. Beyond my academics, I have trained past 13 years in martial arts, and I'm a state player and a state winner in karate. I was honored in Syllabum on 2022 and 2023 as a state winner. And also I have trained in Bharatanatyam junior level, which grew my appreciation for classical arts, culture and traditions. Thank you.
All right, meanwhile, everybody that she's getting off with that, you guys are enjoying. I don't hear you all. Are you guys enjoying? Can I ask you guys to make some noise? All right, I told you guys the drill, so you guys gotta raise your hands high up in the air and clap for yourself, because actually, I'm so happy and so proud that I got to introduce to Vasavi Mata for the very first time, everybody. So yeah, Jai Vasavi Mata, everyone. It is my first time that I'm getting to know. I'm extremely honored, ma'am. Thank you so much for choosing me. Thank you. That was a stage-breaking performance, honestly, and I think she did it fantabulously. But I was still scared that side, if I would have stood here. All right, up next, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage Shri Sindhu Kanduri.
I would like to start with a Vasavi Stotram. Kailasachala Sannibe, Giripure, Savarna Shringe, Mahastambodhyan, Manimantape, Surachira Prante cha Simhasane, Asinam, Sakala Amararchita Padam, Bhaktarti Vidvamsinim, Vande Vasavi Kanyakam, Smitamukim, Sarvartadam Ambikam. My name is Shri Sindhu, and ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఎక్కువగా మీమ్స్ అందుకున్న ప్రొఫెషన్ ఇస్ మైన్, వేర్ పీపుల్ థింక్ వీ డోంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ప్లేయింగ్ విత్ అవర్ ల్యాప్టాప్. సో ఐఎమ్ అ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్, అండ్ ఐ కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ అ ఫ్యామిలీ వేర్ everybody is from the commerce field. My dad is a chartered accountant, my brother is a chartered accountant, my mom is an MCom. I'm the only jobless, so-called jobless girl at home. I'm a software engineer. And Vasavi Kanika Parameshwari amma gurinchi cheppalante, I feel very honored and proud. Tanu enta goppaga jeevinchi ఆత్మస్థైర్యం ఆత్మధైర్యంని చాటుకోకపోతే తన వెంటనే 102 గోత్రాల కుటుంబాలు ఆత్మాహుతి చేసుకుంటారు. సో ఐఎమ్ రియలీ ఆనర్డ్ అండ్ ప్రౌడ్ టు బి born in this Arya Vaishya community. And one more fact that I would want to say, which most of the people might not know, we call her Vasavi కన్యక పరమేశ్వరి. మరెందుకు మనం వడిబియ్యం పెడతామంటే తను ఆత్మగుండంలోకి ప్రవేశించడానికి ముందు నగరేశ్వర స్వామిని వివాహం చేసుకుంటుంది కాబట్టి తనకి మనం వడిబియ్యం కూడా కడతాము. దో షీస్ కన్యక. I think I would want to do the ramp walk now, and then I have a talent wherein I'll be playing Veena instrument, and I would like to dedicate that for the Jagannataka Sutradhari Shri Krishna. I'll be playing Radha Venu Gopabala.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That was Shri Sindhu Kanduri with us.
Just 1 second. Can you give us a 2-minute break, please? We'll just run the sponsor ads. 2 minutes and we'll come back. It's a short 2-minute break.
Sure, ma'am.
Just give us 2 minutes to route back to you all.
బట్ ఆయన ఏజ్ ఎక్కువ
Shri Lokia, number 17.
Shri Lokia.
You shown your powerness. You shown your powerfulness.
Yeah.
Okay. If the power is given to you as you are a goddess, Vasavi Mata, what is the first thing you'd like to introduce to the world?
First thing, I like to thank her to give me that power. And also, Vasavi Mata is a sacrificer. And that sacrifice made us.
So if I got power as Vasavi Mata, I'll try to change what at that time what the people are thinking, what her dad was thinking. I wanted to change and I wanted her to be with Shiva. Thank you.
Let's welcome number 20, Sanjana J.
Who's your biggest inspiration in your life?
Obviously, my mom. As a mother and a wife, she completed her 11 degrees after marriage, after having me. And she been like transferred to a village called Medikoppe, which is near to Nagarhole, 1 kilometer near to Nagarhole. She keep on nourishing me, and being me is like biggest gift she ever gave to me. And if I am a wildlifer, that motives and the inspiration and whatever I am here, it is a gift of her. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's welcome Shriya BN.
How you define the BN other than your surname? B stands for, N stands for.
Okay, so B is my family's name, Baisani, and N is for my dad's name. And I think my family means everything to me, no matter how bad my day is going, no matter how low I am in life. My family is the first place that I turn back to. No matter if I'm depressed, if I'm crying, if I'm laughing, my family is always the turn that I go for. So the BN means a lot. It, in a way, defines me because I am a mini version of what my family's taught me, and that is why I'm here right now.
Thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 25, YM Nidhi.
So, Nidhi, if you could crown anyone with the pageant other than yourself, who would it be and why?
I think it would be my mother who's standing beside me. She is literally my everything. The struggle she has been through, the person she has made me, even though when we had nothing, she made sure she gave me everything. And I think that's what made the person who I am. And she's literally my whole life. And if there is anything that I want to give anyone in my life, I think that would be my mom and my dad. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Contestant number 1, Ananya Hepsor.
If you won the title today, how would you inspire the youth?
I think first of all, this is the youth of our community. So I would want them to come up more and represent themselves and try to get into these activities a lot more than they actually are. Like the background I come from, medical field, not a lot of people would come up and do all these things because it is not something that's normal for them. And also I would like to make them understand that it's not only about sacrificing things, it's also about pursuing them. And I think Vasavi Mata taught us that also. Not only just sacrificing, but also doing what you want to do.
Mahana, contestant number 11.
Okay, if you could time travel and go into the past or the future or continue to be in the present, what would you pick and why?
Firstly, thank you for asking this question, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. And my name is Mahana Baisani. If I time traveled back, I would like to travel back to my adult stage because my adult stage was not easy. I've fought alone, I fought with depression, I fought with anxiety, I fought with many other things. But today I'm standing here for myself because of my self-confidence. I believed in who I am. It taught me so many things. It taught me each and every day I learned about becoming stronger, becoming better. So if I get to time travel back, I would time travel to my adulthood and yeah, I would becoming better. Thank you.
We have contestant number 13, Neha Gupta. Number 13, contestant number 13, Neha Gupta.
How much is Miss Vaishya crown important to you?
So it's very important because anything that I do, if I spend time with somebody for 5 minutes, either it has to be important for me or the opposite person has to make use of it. So I've met a lot of people here, and if I am crowned with the picture or the reel that I'm going to post on Instagram, it's going to inspire a lot more other people. And not just that, if that is going to happen, more business to me, more people are going to be benefited. No, more people are going to be benefited by the business I do. So yes, it means a lot, and to my family it would mean even more, and that would mean even more to me. Thank you.
You see, she is a 23-year-old business-minded, also women entrepreneur. Amazing. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. With this, the Vaishya Crown, Miss Vaishya Karnataka 2025, a first of its kind platform exclusively for the Vaishya women. Intellectual leadership, the daring, the power, the everything that you people are actually getting on the stage. So these were our finalists. Meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, let me also welcome and tell you guys about our sponsors. Could you please give a round of applause for all our finalists here? You see, I also have some favorites here on the stage, but I cannot do that. Just like Neha said, 5 minutes? I'm not spending that 5 minutes with her because she is only going to count how am I going to be benefited for my business. Okay? But however, all the best to each one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have our platinum sponsors for the Vaishya Crown, Miss Vaishya Karnataka 2025. May I just see the sponsors, please? That's Kalasha Fine Jewels. We have Manapelli Jewels Private Limited, ONS, hashtag India. Diamond sponsors, Varahi Silks, EM Endaro, Hayes Craft Media. Gold sponsors, Tree, Priya Gold, and we have Bhagya Lakshmi. Silver sponsors, Sumo, Old Monk. Venue partner, ladies and gentlemen, The Bash Wedding Events. Please give it up for, this is their venue as well, the The Bash Wedding Events. And beauty partners, Celebrity Secrets, Advanced Hair and Skin Studio, gifting partners, OPM, Hyderabad venue partners, Arya Real. So yeah, this is something very exciting, yeah? So we have the real partners, everybody. That is the flash shoot. Please give it up for them. You can see them everywhere, literally. And FMB partners, Radisson Blue and Vivaha Bhojan Ambu. So thank you so much. Let's see who the winners are. So kindly give a round of applause for our juries, our co-founders, our founders, and to our sponsors, each and every one of you. So the Vaishya Crown, Miss and Mrs. Vaishya Karnataka 2025. This is your very own host, Fawzia P. Khan. Up next, we're going to be having Sinchana KR.
A warm noon to everyone present here. Myself Sinchana KR from Chintamani, Chikkabellapur. I'm currently pursuing first year BBA in Cambridge Institution of Technology, Bangalore. Work hard until you need not introduce yourself to others. So this reflects on everyone's life situation, including myself. And my hobbies are dancing, drawing, watching K-dramas and reading novels. And I secured 97% in my second PUC and was elected as state 13th rank, district 6th rank and Taluk 3rd rank. And I was honored by Sharavana sir in Pratibha Puraskara. So I would like to share a few ideologies and my thoughts regarding Vasvi Mata. So she symbolizes non-violence, virtue, peace and defense of women's dignity. Thank you one and all for giving this opportunity. So this plays a very major role in my life. And I'm very happy to be a part of this Vaishya community. So it also helps in many aspects in my future. Thank you so much.
Ms. Sinchana KR. Up next, let's invite the very next contestant, Shreya BN, on stage.
I'm Shreya and I am currently in my second year BBA and I'm from Christ University. I've always been into fashion and a lot of things for that matter. I've taken part in fashion events. I'm also working as a social media manager for one of in social media business. And I've taken part in a lot of events, organized a lot of social events also. So when I heard about this, I was very thrilled because it was something I was coming out of my own comfort zone, pushing myself to see what my limits are and testing my own limits for this. So I'm very, very excited to be here. And about Vasavi Mata, she isn't just someone that I look up to, but she's got so much impact in my life because the courage that she's shown for the women especially, talking about my mom also and how she's got up my upbringing and how much Vasavi Mata's ethics and dharma has gotten into my personal life is immense, and I am very grateful to be a part of this community, and I am very thankful for the family that I'm born in.
ಆವಕುಲವೆಂದರಿಯಲಾಗದು ಗೋವ ಕಾಯ್ವ ಗೊಲ್ಲನಂತೆ ದೇವಲೋಕದ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ಹೂವ ಸತಿಗೆ ತಂದನಂತೆ ಆವಕುಲವೋ ರಂಗ ಅರಿಯಲಾಗದು ಗೋಕುಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ಟಿದನಂತೆ ಗೋಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಯ್ದನಂತೆ ಬಲಿದ ಪೂತನಿ ವಿಷವನುಂಡು ಮೆಲ್ಲನೆ ಕೃಣನ ಕೊಂದನಂತೆ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ತನ್ನ ವಾಹನವಂತೆ ಹಾವು ತನ್ನ ಹಾಸಿಗೆಯಂತೆ ಮುಕ್ಕಣ್ಣ ತನ್ನ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗನಂತೆ ಮುದ್ದು ಮುಖದ ಚೆಲ್ವನಂತೆ ಆವಕುಲವೋ ರಂಗ ಅರಿಯಲಾಗದು ನೀ ಯಾವ ಕುಲವೋ ರಂಗ ಅರಿಯಲಾಗದು.
Thank you so much. And up next, ladies and gentlemen, yes, Varnashri N is our next contestant.
Myself, Varnashri, I've completed my master's in biotechnology. I'm actually a currently research scientist working on various microbiological products, anti-cancer agents, antimicrobial infectious diseases also. Apart from this, I'm very passionate. In my past, I have completed my state level in various athletics like district level in shot put, discus throw, and also I'm an athlete. Along with that, I've played state level in basketball, throw ball, and even badminton. Apart from this, being from Mysore, I'm very privileged to have a very cultural heritage where I've got many opportunities to present myself in various events.
Gana Cheturaya, Gana Pranaya, Gana Antaratmane, Ganotsukaya, Gana Mattaya, Ganotsuka Manase, Guru Pujitaya, Guru Daivataya, Guru Gulasthayine, Guru Vikramaya, Guya Pravaraya, Gurave, Guna Gurave, Guru Dait Kalakshetre, Guru Dharma Sadaradya,
motto and agenda of Vasavi Mata was to spread peace, love, and sacrifice to the world. That was her main motto, and I would like that to be adopted by everyone to bring themselves further without harming. That is Ahimsa Marga. Thank you.
Alright, everybody. So up next we have YMBD as our contestant.
జై వాసవి ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ అందరికీ నమస్కారం I am Vayam Nidhi from Bengaluru, Karnataka, currently pursuing my bachelor's in JNDM to be University. I'm a person who embraces challenges with energy, creativity, and I never give up attitude. And whether it's singing, dancing, exploring, baking, driving, anything, I give my 100% because I believe life is all about growth, discipline, and passion. First of all, I would like to thank my dad, mom, family for pushing me forward to take part in this beautiful event. Thank you guys a lot. They're my inspiration.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, then we're moving over with our next
Mrs. category.
the Mrs. category. So I want all the misses. May I kindly request our jury members to please come with us, and also our judges, ladies and gentlemen. All right, to my beautiful ladies in here, we're getting started. I want you guys to give a round of applause for yourself. Come on, let me hear that louder. Come on, 3, 2, 1. Can you guys make some noise? All right, to my beautiful ladies. So we're getting started now. The Vaishya Crown Mrs. Vaishya Karnataka 2025 category is getting started. This is your very own host Fawzia P. Khan with you all. And for this amazing, the Vaishya Crown Karnataka 2025, our sponsors are going to be our platinum sponsors, Kalasha, Manipali, ONS, hashtag. Our diamond sponsors, we have Varahi EM Hazecraft Media. Gold sponsors Priya Bhagyalakshmi. And we also do have silver sponsors, Old Monk, venue partners, Bangalore, Anaika, D Weddings and Events, beauty partner, gifting partner, and Hyderabad venue partner, Celebrity Secrets, OPM, and then Arya. Reel shoot, we have Flash Shoot, everybody. So our next partners, like I mentioned, if you keep finding guys in their black t-shirts, all right? The guys in the black t-shirts, okay? Anybody wants to get your reels personally shoot, okay? So we have Flash Shoot for the reels partners and FMB partners, Radisson. And this is your very own host, Fawzia P. Khan at the Vaishya Crown Mrs. category. We are getting started. So I want you guys to give a round of applause and let's get started. Hip hip! I need that energy coming in. Visionaries behind the crown, we have Mr. Imadi, the founder, and Miss Sundari Wapala, ma'am, with us, and also our jury members, empowering women, celebrating legacy. Also, shining with grace, glowing with confidence, the Vaishya Mrs. category. Vaishya contestant is going to get started. Dream, dazzle, inspire, and shine. To all of you all, we have our platinum sponsors, Kalasha, Manipali ONS, hashtag our diamond sponsors, Varahi EM, OneCraft. We have our gold sponsors, our silver sponsors, Old Monk, our venue partners, Anaika, the Wedding and Events, ladies and gentlemen, and our reel sponsors. If you need to get your reels shoot, it is the Flash Shoot, everybody. So F&B partners, we have Radisson and much more. Let me come back to you all, but with that, to my beautiful misses. Where are your misters? Where are the misters? Are they actually missing out on the fun this afternoon? Are they missing out on the fun? In the heart. Yes, now they are actually going to be on the phones as well. So give it up for yourself. You guys have been amazing. And let's welcome our beautiful jury members here, everybody. Let's welcome them with a round of applause, please. Thank you so much for joining us, ma'am. I just love what you're wearing in your neck. I think that's also going to be my inspiration, the next event I'm going to host. So everything I'm here, I'm actually taking back something.
This is from my own brand.
That's oh wow! Now we are actually doing the marketing too. So now I can buy it. All right, everyone. This is your very own host Fawzia P. Khan, and let's get started. The Vaishya Crown, Mrs. Vaishya Karnataka 2025. It is the first of its kind platform exclusively for the Vaishya women's, honoring grace, intellectual and leadership. And this is your very own host Fawzia P. Khan. तो चलिए इसी के साथ साथ हमारा contestant in the Mrs. category we have AS Manasa.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾನಸ, ನಮ್ಮದು ಕೋಲಾರ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸು. ಕೌಂಟ್ರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. GTLK ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಮನಾಮಕು ಸಾರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೋಲಾರಲ್ಲಿ. ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ನೇಮು ಸಂಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ವುಮೆನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್, FB ಪೇಜಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ GTLK ಅಂತ. ತುಂಬ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ವಾಸವಿ ಮಾತೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಶ್ಲೋಕದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕುಸುಮಪುತ್ರಿ ಚ ವಿಗ್ಮಹೆ ಕನ್ಯಾ ಕೌಮಾರಿ ಧ್ರೀಮಹಿ ತನ್ನೋ ವಾಸವಿ ಪ್ರಚೋದಯಾತ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕುಸುಮಪುತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಜನಿಸಿ ಕನ್ಯೆಯಾಗಿ ಇಳಿದು ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಶ್ಯರ ಧರ್ಮ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗಾಗಿ, ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ಮಾನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗಾಗಿ ವಾಸವಿ ಮಾತೆ 102 ಗೋತ್ರಗಳ ಕುಲಸ್ಥರಿಂದ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಮಾಡಿ ವೈಶ್ಯರ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಧರ್ಮ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ವಾಸವಿ ಮಾತೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆದರ್ಶವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಆದಿಪರಾಶಕ್ತಿ ಸ್ವರೂಪವೇ ವಾಸವಿ ಮಾತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
You can't help but shine. And I know that you carry the world on your back. But look at you tonight. The lights, your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. So pushing on me, don't you in the body, I can do this all. We'll be dancing in the morning on the bed, we won't see. Drummer, kiss it out of body. Pushing on me, don't you in the body, I can do this all. We'll be dancing in the morning on the bed, we won't see.
All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Up next, we have our very next contestant, Anjana KP. Please give it up for Anjana KP, everybody.
This is Anjana here from Bangalore. I am 27 years young and I'm a corporate girl working in JP Morgan Chase as a team leader. I recently got married last year and I'm enjoying the new chapter of my life. I'm a firm believer of best is yet to come because I think this helps me push and bring out the best version of myself, and that's exactly why I'm here today. And what truly defines me is the conviction to bring out the best and what I truly believe in, the strength and the self-esteem. And these values were instilled in me by our Kula Devata, Shri Vasvi Mata, who did not think once of her life and went ahead in Agni Pravesha and gave up her life, upheld her dignity because she was forced to marry a king against her own will. This inspires me as a woman and I'm a proud Arya Vaishya. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anjana. Ladies and gentlemen, up next we have our very next contestant, Bhuvaneshwari Raghavendra.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನಂದೇ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಕಣ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ, ನಂದೇ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಟಿ ಲೇಡೀಸ್, ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ. ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದವರವರು ಮಡಿಕೇರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೂ ಹನಿಮೂನ್ ನೆನಪಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಹನಿಮೂನ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟೇ. ತಣ್ಣಗಿರೋ ಗಾಳಿಯ ತಣ್ಣಗಿರೋ ಜಾಗ, ಸೂಪರ್. ಈಗ MSc ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಬ್ಬರು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೇನೂ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಿಂದಾಸಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ನೀಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕೆಲಸ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸ. ಸೊ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕಲ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಲೀಡಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 8 years ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಕಡೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದನೂ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Thank you so much, Bhuvneshwari. Ladies and gentlemen, up next, give it up for Deepa Sandeep, everybody.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ದೀಪಾ ಸಂದೀಪ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಂದ, 40 years old. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ, ನನ್ನ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನನ್ನ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಗ. ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ನಾನು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ GTLKಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸವಿ ಕುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆಹಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಹವ್ಯಾಸಗಳು ಏನಂದರೆ ಕುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಓವರ್, ಥೌಸಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಸಿಪೀಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾನು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನಡೆದ ಗಣೇಶೋತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಟ್ಸ್ ಗುರು ಟೀಮಿಂದ ನಾನು ಡ್ರಮ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದೊಂದು ನಂದು ಮೆಮೊರಿಬಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ದೇವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು ಅದು ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಡೆವೋಷ್ನಲ್ ಇದು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಓಂಕಾರ ರೂಪಿಣಿಯೇ ಅಂಬವಾಸವಿ ಕನ್ನಿಕೆಯೇ ಸುಂದರಿ ನೀ ಸುಕುಮಾರಿ ಸುಂದರಿ ನೀ ಸುಕುಮಾರಿ ವಾಸವಿ ಕನ್ನಿಕೆಯೇ ಓಂ ಜೈ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರಿಯೇ ಶ್ರೀಕರ ಶುಭಕರಿಣಿ ಅಂಬ ಶಾಂತ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿಯೇ ಅಖಿಲಾಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ದೇವಿ ಅಖಿಲಾಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ದೇವಿ ಆನಂದ ರೂಪಿಣಿಯೇ ಓಂ ಜೈ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರಿಯೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
Up next, ladies and gentlemen, we have Divya Manasa Aravapalli.
Namaskaram. My name is Manasa. I am from Bangalore. I am a proud housewife and mother of 2 kids and the founder of my clothing brand, Unique Vastrams. My journey has filled with lot of challenges, but passion for creating something unique has given me the strength for standing here at Vaishya Crown. But with blessings of Vasavi Mata has taught us sacrifice, peace and strength. Today, I may be one among all these contestants, but I am at the right path to success by choosing this Vaishya Crown. I came here not just to win the crown, but also to gain visibility for my clothing brand, Unique Vastrams, and also showcase my passion and inspire women like you who can balance both family and business with lot of determination. To me, Vaishya Crown is not just about the beauty, but growth, empowerment, and carrying the legacy of Vaishya community. With the blessings of Vasavi Mata, where woman shines, her family, her community, her culture shines with her. Let's raise the strength to Vaishya women. Jai Vaishya, Jai Vasavi Mata. Jai Hind.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's Dr. Seema P. with us.
Before I start my introduction, I just want to talk about our Vasavi Mata, Jai Vasavi Mata. She is the goddess of our community. She always preached Dharmam, Seelam, and Ahimsam. She always wanted us to have peace in the globe, and she is the one who always immortal strength for our community. I bow to our goddess, Jai Shri Vasavi Kanika Parameshwari. Now, I'm Dr. Seema, 53 years old. I'm from Bangalore. And from my childhood, I had a dream of becoming a doctor. My father himself is a pediatrician. I used to go with him all the time to the hospital, and I used to observe him. The empathy, the love he used to show towards his patients that triggered me, ignited in me to become a doctor. Apart from that, my gurus, who always inculcated in us about the discipline, punctuality. So today, I'm in front of you as a professor working in ESI Medical College, Bangalore, and I'm in this profession from past 23 years. Apart from being a doctor, I have other hobbies too. I love singing, which I got from my mother, who was a classical singer and a veena player. But I've not taken any formal training about this, but I'm a bathroom singer. From past 4 months, I've been taking classes from Mrs. Maitri, online classes, that karaoke classes, because I love retro music. Apart from that, I definitely love cooking, especially South Indian cooking. And I also do designing. I've done for 2 weddings. My close colleagues I've done. For the bridal also I've done. Apart from this, I love fashion. I feel it is in my blood. I've done 2 small ramp walk in my organization where they are done for cultural event. So now I want to showcase my one of the talent, that is singing. I have taken Muhammad Rafi song that is from Mere Sanam 1965. It's a retro song. I want to sing that song. पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बाहर की बस एक चाँव जुल्फ की बस एक निगाह प्यार की पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बाहर की बस एक चाँव जुल्फ की बस एक निगाह है प्यार की पुकारता चला हूँ मैं. Thank you.